So excuse the redness in my face. That is from red face paint from the other look I did today. I have to do pretty much, try to do 7 looks today. I don't think I'm going to be able to, but I work 3rd shift and I sleep during the day. I only have about a couple hours before I have to, you know, go back to work. So I usually try to spend the hours that I am awake with my kids. So my nights off, which are usually Friday nights and Saturday nights, while the kids are sleeping and I would normally be at work, is when I would do my makeup looks. So I had planned to do 3 and 3, but then we had mandatory overtime. And so if I don't do all of these looks, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do my 31 days of Halloween. So the redness, I took it off with coconut oil, but it's going to be stained. So today I am actually going to split this look into 2 looks, just so I can, one, kind of like with my my Baths and Booze and then the Witchy Glam, it allows me to be able to do more looks, and so I'm not, you know, running out of time, but it also, I think, gives, like, if you want to do a more everyday look that you can wear with any costume, or a more specific look that is like one specific thing. So today is just the fall candy corn inspired makeup, and then tomorrow's version is going to be the candy corn skull, which is inspired by I'll say who it's inspired by on that video because I have to look it up and everything, and it doesn't really pertain to this because the eye makeup I'm doing is going to be a different version. So let's get started. I've already done my brows, as good as they're gonna get. I need to clean. I don't have a whole lot of makeup brushes to be able to use, so that's when my brows took forever, because my brushes that I normally use are dirty. I desperately need to clean. Okay. So to start out, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Cute AF palette, and I don't know, honestly, the reason why I didn't say the names in the other ones, because I don't know where they're at back here, if they match up with the color they're supposed to be. If that's the way it is, I'm just going to guess that's what's going on. So I'm going to go in with Bling, the shade up here, and that's just going to be my under the brow color. And then I'm going to go in with this yellow shade, which I believe is called French Kiss. And then I'm going to go in with Champs, which is this orange shade right there. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and do a little semi-cut crease. I'll choose my Mate Round face paint. That's pretty white. I'm going to go back over that with the French Kiss yellow in the middle. We'll just use a little bit of the Coty Airspun because it's translucent. But I think I want to do like a white line and then put some glitter. So for the glitter, I am using the NYX Metallic glitter. These don't have names, do they? If they do, I can't find them. This one looks like it says Lumi. These ones have names then? Yeah, okay, so this one's called Lumi, and I just figured that out. I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer. I'm going to go ahead and do my face off camera, and then I will come back for lips and stuff. So if you wanted to, you could do this look without lashes, and this is just with mascara, but I like with lashes. So I'm using these Vegas Nay Eye Lure. I don't know which ones they are, but they're not a popular one. They were actually on clearance, so I bought a couple of them. I know they had a purple box. And for a highlight, I'm going to go on with my ColourPop Flexitarian and Super Shock Cheek. And then for lips, I'm going to try the Too Faced Melted in the shade Melted Coral. And then I'm just going to dab some of the highlight on top of that. So I got this wig from Walmart, and it says it's a premium one, and it's a little bit more expensive than the rest of the wigs. I mean, I'm not expecting it to be amazing, but we shall see how it looks. Right away I noticed it's not as shiny as the regular like wigs you get from like Walmart. It doesn't feel quality wise though that much more amazing. This is like not my color. I will say in person it looks better, the color. I think it's just a mixture of the foundation that I used plus the color of this wig just really washes me out on camera. But the eyes turned out super awesome. I am super happy with this look. I hope you guys liked this candy corn inspired makeup look. This is perfect for if you just want to wear it around for fall, or if you want to dress up as a cute candy corn for Halloween, or really, I mean, it could be like a witch makeup, a vampire makeup, anything that you want to, you know, make it be. Keep trying to like show off the cut crease. But yeah, I really am excited for the second part, which will be the skull version, so make sure you watch out for tomorrow for that. And if you did like this tutorial, make sure you smash that like button, click subscribe if you haven't already if you like this video, because then it lets me know that I'm doing a good job, and it's free, so why not? And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.